In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Chevy Colorado. It's located inside the wheel well on the passenger side. Using a pry bar, you're going to remove your hubcap. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Remove your wheel. Using a trim tool, you're going to remove your grommets, one here if you have a mud flap. Ours seems to be a little stuck, but you should be able to get a trim tool in there and pull it out. If not, you can do what I'm doing. After you take that initial middle piece out, it should pop out, like so. Once that's away, this will be more free. So let's start by removing these grommets now. Moving on to the top. We're going to go over here, more towards the inside. Now we're going to go up here in this little divot. Now we're up top. And work our way over here. And now we're going to go here. And we'll follow it down to here. Now we're going to go here. To this one. Now we're going to remove our fender liner. I'm going to start on this side and just pull it out. We're going to install our fender liner now. Make sure you have it going the right way. Push it in. Get it under this lip. And under the mud flap. Once you get it under the flap here, you're going to shift it and line it up with the holes. Before beginning, make sure you can see all your holes. If you have to use a punch like I did, feel free. And we're gonna start putting in our plastic grommets. I'm gonna start in this back wall first and just work my way around. Make sure everything's secured in place. After you put that in, you're gonna put the center piece in. Make sure you line up the notch correctly and then push it in. That'll lock it in. Do the same for all of them. For this one, make sure that you save the square peg for this one, where the mud flap was. Put that in. Lock it in with the center. Line it up correctly. And lock it in. Put your wheel on. Put your lug nuts on. You're going to tighten your lug nuts in a crisscross manner using a 19mm socket. Make sure you walk the wheel on with that bottom one. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheel to 103 foot-pounds. You're going to do that in a crisscross manner. Put your hubcap on by lining up the lug nuts. Tap it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.